Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. Today we will study the Microchip PIC16F887. This IC we will use in our project. Let's start the video. How to select a microcontroller. Before you start to design a device based on microcontroller, think of the following. How many input-output line will you need for the operation? Should it perform some other operation than to simply turn relay on and off? Does it need some specialized modules such as serial communication, analog to digital converter and its? When you create a clear picture of what you need, the selection range is considerably reduced and it is time to think of the price. PIC microcontroller. The PIC microcontroller family of the microcontroller is manufactured by Microchip Technology. Currently, they are one of the most popular microcontrollers used in many commercial and industrial applications. PIC microcontroller is very popular. You can find it in market very easily. Why use PIC? The PIC microcontroller architecture is based on a modified Harvard RISC reduced instruction set computer instruction set, which means they are separate internal buses for memory and data. With dual bus architecture, PIC provide fast and flexible design with an easy migration path from 6 pin to 80 pins and from 384 bytes to 128 kilobytes of program memory. What is the difference between the PIC? PIC use RISC architecture. In this architecture, microcontroller use two separate buses, one for data and one for memory. That makes the PIC very suitable for complex application. If you ever work with 8051 or Atmel, it uses the same buses for data transfer and for memory transfer. That's why 8051 is hang in some application, but PIC is very stable and very fast comparing with 8051. PIC16F887. This is a microcontroller we will use in our projects. In this series of video, I will describe the operation of one particular module belong to the PIC high middle class, that is the IC16F887. The PIC16F887 is as well known product by Microchip. It features all the components which modern microcontroller normally have. For it is low price, wide range of application, high quality and easy availability. It is an ideal solution in applications such as controlling of different process in industrial machines, controlling device, measuring of the different values. PIC16F887 basic feature. Operating frequencies. Its operating frequency start from 0 to 20 MHz. Power supply voltage, it will work with 2 volt to 5.5 volt maximum and minimum voltage is 2.0 volt. It's also enable power saving mode, burnout reset with software control option. 35 input output pins. This IC has 40 pin and you can use 35 pin as a input output. 8K ROM memory in flash technology, 26 byte EPROM memory, 368 bytes of RAM memory, analog to digital converter, 14 channels, 3 independent timer counter, watchdog timer, analog comparator module, enhanced USART module. Here are some basic features of the 16F887. PIC microcontroller input output port programming. Depending on the type of microcontroller used, PIC microcontroller input output ports are named as port A, port B, port C and so on. Port pins can be in analog or digital mode. In analog mode, port are input only, and a built-in analog to digital converter and multiplexer circuit are used. In digital mode, a port pin can be configured as either input or output. The TRIS register control the port direction, and there are TRIS register for each port, named as TRISA, TRISB, TRISC, and so on. Cleaning the TRIS register bit to 0 set the corresponding port pin to output mode. Similarly, setting a TRIS register to 1 set the corresponding port pin to input mode. Pin description. Here is port A. Port A start from pin number 2 to pin number 7. All ports of the PIC16F887 as multipurpose. You can use in any application. Here is supply voltage. Here is crystal. Pin number 13 and 14 we will connect external crystal. This one is port C. These two pins belong to port D, and this is also belong to port D. Here is also pin 30 to 27, and this is the port B from 40 to 33, and this port is belong to port C. Here is serial communication connection. Most pins of the PIC16F887 microcontroller are multifunction, as seen in figure above. You can see in this one all pins are multifunction. For example, designator RA3 AN3 plus C1N plus for the 15 pin of the microcontroller indicate that it has the following function. RA3 means port A, third digit input outputs. AN3 third analog inputs, and positive mean positive voltage reference, and C1IN plus comparator C1 positive input. You can also use this pin as a input output, and you can also use as a analog input. It is a positive voltage reference, and you can also use this pin as a comparator. Such pin functionality is a very useful as it makes the microcontroller package more compact without affecting its operation. These various pin functions cannot be used simultaneously but can be changed at any time during the operation. Oscillator circuit. An oscillator circuit is used to provide a microcontroller with a clock. A clock is needed to show that the microcontroller can execute a program. An external resistor and two capacitors are connected to the OSC1 and OSC2 input of the microcontroller. You can see in this picture pin number 13 and 14, and this resistor and 2 PF provide clock to the microcontroller so the microcontroller can execute the program.